So y'all wanted to see a lightweight, no foundation makeup look. So let's do it. First and foremost, y'all know the brows is like a main thing for a makeup look for me. So I'm taking my Got To Be glue, and this is their brow slash edge gel 2-in-1. I like to coat all my hairs with the gel. Make sure they're not going nowhere. So in my opinion, for a no makeup look, like, you want your brows to look freshly waxed, not necessarily snatched. So I'm gonna let that brow glue dry down, and we gonna go ahead and start on the base. So I like to use the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Lotion or Glowtion, and this is in the shade Deep Glow. They do have other shades, so this should be an option for any of you all with whatever skin tone you have. I like it because it gives you glow. I ain't gonna say it give you coverage, because it really don't, but it gives you a little tint still. So like, this shade is darker, so it gives me a little bronze look, a bronze glow. So just by adding that, we have a nice glow going on. The brows already look good, but we're still gonna come back to that. The next thing I like to do is conceal. I'm gonna take this Glowish by Huda Beauty. This is their Bright Light Sheer Concealer, and this is in the shade Extra Tan. This was the closest concealer that I could find that is like my skin tone that I have on me. So I'm trying this shade out for the first time. So this is kind of first impressions, but I'm just gonna like tap over all of my super dark spots. I have a lot of acne that be around my ears sometimes, and then you can go in and blend it out with your hand. I'm gonna take a brush. I'm gonna take a brush and just blend it out. And again, this is a sheer concealer, so it's not gonna full coverage those dark spots, but it gives you a little bit of a sheer coverage, so it doesn't look as hyper pigmented, I guess. I'm just gonna pat all of that in. Just make sure there's no harsh lines. And as you can see, I'm already looking a little bit more polished, but still very much natural. So before I go in with concealer, I am gonna take my Juvia's Place I Sculpt I Shade Brow Pen and just do some hair-like strokes. Very light-handed. Just going in with a Q-tip and cleaning up my brows. So we're not adding any excess product, we're just cleaning it up with a Q-tip. Try not to go too dark, because then it's not gonna look as natural. I went a little dark, but that's okay, that's my business. Now for concealer, I am gonna take my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, and this is in the shade 31Y. A little bit of this goes a long way, so literally like just do like a tap right there, and we're just trying to do it under the eyes so we can get rid of these bags. Before I blend it out, I'm gonna spray my face with my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and then I'm gonna blend out the concealer. Love how that looks brighter, but not doing too much. I'm gonna take that same brush that I had and just blend out the edges of where I blended out the concealer. So again, there's no harsh lines. I do think I want to add a little blush. You can do blush or bronzer to warm up the face. Typically, my go-to is to do like a powdered bronzer from here, so it looks natural, but sometimes some people want to like brighten up and warm up the face with a blush. I'm gonna take this Cheek Slime blush. I'm gonna blend it out quite a bit on my hand first, so I could get just like a flush, like not too much. And then I'm gonna take this brush and again just blend. And then from here, I'm gonna set under the eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is the travel size. So if you don't know if you want to commit to the big one, you could try the travel size. It'll be a little bit cheaper. And we're just gonna set under the eye. And then just to set the entire face, I like to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This is in the shade Almond. And I just like to set my entire face. From here, I'll go ahead and do setting spray again. This is the Morphe Luminous one. Then from here, you can take your favorite mascara and apply your mascara, or if you have on lashes, you can wear your lashes. So from here, I think we look nice and natural. You can do a lip liner if you want to, but the lippy I have on right now, I actually really am enjoying it. And this is the Super Jelly Lip Balm in Coconut. And this is also Glowish by Huda Beauty. I got this NPR and it just glides on. And my lips look so juicy, like, what? They feel juicy too. They don't just look juicy and feel dry. Like, this is like a good everyday look, right? No foundation. Don't take that long to do. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup video. If you're interested in more videos like this, please check out my beginner makeup series here on my channel. I love y'all so very much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye, y'all.